Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you all. Today's unit was sent over to us from NADULA Hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And this is what the packaging looks like. This is the box it came in, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and unbox it with you all. Ooh, okay. You have a really nice diamond headband, a wig cap, a satin bag to store our wig in, and then a little goodie bag here with another scarf, a wig cap, some eyelashes, some hair clips. Thank you, NADULA. And of course, the wig here. So let's see what she is looking like. This is the unit here. She is 24 inches long. It is a 13 by 4 frontal. The hairline looks amazing, very pre-plucked. As you can see, there are some little baby hairs there for us to use, and she is a dark brown color. This is the inside of the unit, the 13 by 4 parting space. Looks really, really good. And it has 2 combs up top, 1 comb down bottom, and adjustable straps. So she's really pretty, very soft, tangle free, just flowing. As you can see, the texture is straight, so there's no particular curl pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and pop her on and see if she's big head friendly. Oh my goodness. Whew. So first of all, yes, she is big head friendly. I have lots of room in here. She is all size friendly. If it is too big for you, she comes with adjustable straps, so you can clip them and close them and do what you need to do to get a good fit. Second of all, look at this hairline. Oh my goodness, like they did all the work for me. I don't like to pluck and do all that stuff. So when they do all the work, it is like, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, she looks amazing. Amazing. And she is, once again, 24 inches long. So let me stand up. She is just about falling to my belly button, and I am 5'4". So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, style the unit, do all that good stuff, and I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So go now, tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Okay, beauties, so I am back. I'm all finished styling this unit and I love everything about it. NADULA, y'all did that. Y'all did that. She is just so pretty and perfect. But okay, let me go ahead and get into all my thoughts on this unit, starting with big head friendly. Absolutely, this unit is all size friendly, so you do not have to worry about that. I have her in just a natural color, which is like a dark brown, and she has a really nice luster to her and a really nice density. Like, the thickness, the density is there. I think this unit is 180%, I believe, but it's just perfect. It's not too much, it's not too little. You all saw how the hairline came just pre-plucked and gorgeous. Like, if you don't like plucking units like me, I do not like doing all of that, then this is the perfect one for you to get because she was truly pre-plucked. Like, look at the melt down on this side. It's like beautiful. So easy. I love the fact that she came pre-plucked, and also the lace was like this color. So as you can see, it's definitely like a light brown. It has a little tint to it. So I didn't have to go in and put on like any makeup on the lace or tint spray or anything like that, because the color that she comes, it's like a really nice shade. Of course, you can go in and deepen it if you need to, but I was really happy with this lace from NADULA. Now, this is a 13 by 4, so you do have like free parting options all up in the front area. So the parting space, it took a little work. I did have to go in and like pluck it a little bit, and then I just added my powder for the rest because I don't have time to be doing all of that. So the parting space, it probably could be a little better. But I understand why you have to put a little work into it, because like they don't know where you want to put your part. So you do have to go in and kind of tweak that yourself. I think what I love most about this unit is the fact that it came pre-plucked and it has a really nice density. So that pretty much wraps up all my thoughts on this one. If I missed anything or you have any questions or comments for me, then please just leave them down in the comments below, because I love to talk back to y'all. I would once again like to thank NADULA Hair for sending over this unit to me for review. I really appreciate it. And also, thank you for making it to the end of this video, engaging with my content. If you like content like this, then please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and share me out with your mother, your sister, your cousin, your friend, whoever you think would enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch all of you later.